I'm back. Sorry I've been MIA, but I made some new Bachelor/Bachelorette themed pins. The first one is Hot Mess Express in honor of Hannah Beast being the new Bachelorette. The next one is a wine glass that says Journey Drink. And then the last one is a classic Will You Accept This Rose pin. So here I am just making the pins. And recently I discovered UV resin. So now I coat all my pins in UV resin. It's so much easier to use than Mod Podge because now it's a lot more smooth and no air bubbles. If there are any air bubbles, I just use a lighter to pop any bubbles with the fire. And then when it's a sunny day, you can honestly just go outside to dry the pins. It takes about 10 minutes. Otherwise, I did buy a UV nail light that I could just dry the pins that way as well. But yeah, here are my new Bachelor/Bachelorette themed pins. The link is in the description if you would like to purchase them.